So this is a quick video about version 1.01 updates. We have one new feature, which is an updater itself. Previously it was not possible to check for updates in PageTatin, which obviously was not very convenient, but now you can. I will show everything afterwards. We have two enhancements. One of the enhancements is exporting a JSON or a PDF file now lets you choose a destination folder. Previously that was by default saved into the downloads folder. So now you can choose where you want to have your files saved to. Then an enhancement regarding the advertisements. This was a feature request from a user. Previously there were only portrait and landscape formats for quarter pages, but obviously there is also sometimes a quarter box page, and this is featured now. I was also able to squash two bugs, dragging and dropping thumbnails from the Finder or Windows Explorer or also Bridge. If you pull them into PageTatin outside of a Pages area onto the work area or somewhere else, then the Flatplan disappeared. That does not longer happen. And an Windows only bug was that the PDF export was not able to export correctly. So now let's look at the features. First, the updater. If you go into the settings panel and to the last tab, which is the updates, then you can now see you have a check now button, which will check and will tell you if you're on the latest version or not. By the time of recording, I already run 1.10, so this is current as of now, but was introduced in 1.0.1. You can choose if you want to check manually alone, or also optionally you can automatically check for updates, which will allow PageTatin to connect once a day to PageTatin.com. And now the feature enhancement of the advertisements. So formally, once you wanted to add a new ad, let's say this should be a quarter ad, you could only choose between a quarter landscape or portrait. So you had this or this, but now you also can choose a quarter box, and this can go, of course, top left, top right, bottom left or bottom right. This was a short overview of what happened with the updates in PageTatin 1.0.1.